Okay, so complete the square of f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Hence, sketch the graph of f of x showing clearly the x and y intercepts, the turning point, state line of symmetry, and the maximum or minimum value of f of x. So our f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. To complete the square, we first make sure that the coefficient for x squared is 1. So we factor out 2. When we do so, we'll divide it in the other term. So 4 over 2x plus 5 over 2. So this then becomes 2x squared minus 2x plus 5 over 2. So the next step is we divide the coefficient of x by 2. So we'll leave it there and then divide it by 2 and then add the half, squaring it and then subtracting it. So we'll add the half, which is 1 in this case, squared, and then subtract the very thing. And then we have that. Then from there, we have 2. So we pick this x, we pick the sign negative, and then pick the half, put them under the same bracket, and then square, then minus, evaluate that one, and then 5 over 2. So we can expand now. So we have 2x minus 1 squared minus 2 plus 5. This is the same as 2x minus 1 squared plus 3. Okay. Then now we want to find the y-intercept. So we go back to f and substitute 0. So get 2 0 squared minus 4 0 plus 5, which is just 5. So the y-intercept is 0, 5. The x-intercept, we equate this very thing to 0. So we have 2x minus 1 squared plus 3 is equal to 0. So that we get x minus 1 squared is equal to negative 3 over 2. So once you have a negative, then we know that we don't have the x-intercept. Then we look at the nature of our graph. So we go back to the function. The function is f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. So with a, b, c. So we look at the value of a. A is equal to 2, which is greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, then you know that we have a minimum turning point. And what's the turning point? The turning point is the line of symmetry coordinate, comma, the y coordinate, which is this, which is the maximum value. So after you simplify, after you complete the square, your maximum or minimum value is this number here with its sign. If it is positive 3 the way it is, you pick it that way. Okay. So since you have established that you're going to have a minimum value, so we have the minimum. So we have the minimum value of f of x is equal to 3. That's the minimum value. Line of symmetry. So for line of symmetry, we get the thing inside the brackets, x minus 1, and equate it to 0, and then solve for x. So that's the line of symmetry. Then from there, we can now sketch because we have the intercept. So we're going to sketch. So we have established that it's minimum, and it's going to be 1, comma, I said line of symmetry coordinate, comma, the maximum or minimum value. So we have 1, comma 3. So it's there, and it's minimum, so it's facing up. But what's the y-intercept? 0,5. So we have 5 there. So we can now graph our function. So it's going to come this way. So it goes this way. So this is f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.